Hey guys, it's me Marty, and today I have a very special video for y'all that I'm really excited about. So, y'all know my favorite perfumes, right? I think y'all do by now. They are Dossier perfumes. But I'm not here today to talk about the perfume. I'm here to talk about their new home scents. So, they have diffusers, I just saw. They have diffusers now, which is amazing. Like, for your whole home to smell like your favorite perfume, it's amazing. And they also have, what? Candles. I am so excited about these candles, y'all. I had one a while back. They had single wicks. My scent was powdery hawthorn, and I did burn it completely out. It was a good candle, but I want to talk to y'all about the new relaunched, kind of redesigned candles that smell like your favorite perfume. This is gonna probably be the shortest video I do in a while because I just have 2 of the candles to review for y'all tonight, but we are gonna review them. So if you guys want to see more about the Dossier candles, y'all can just keep watching. Thanks. So I gave y'all a little preview in the intro, but I want to talk about these candles because I'm so excited. I have 2 of them to try, and I'm real buck about it. So let me first give y'all some stats on these candles because I cannot for the life of me remember how much they cost. Yeah, okay, so the candles retail for $49. Not gonna lie, that is a little pricey, but what I like, I'm looking at their website right now, and they actually tell you the vibe for each one of them. So they have like cozy, sunny, cozy, like whatever you're feeling. So the 4 they have available right now is the aromatic star anise, the floral rose, the amber vanilla, which is the one I have, and the floral marshmallow, which is another one I have. The amber vanilla is considered cozy, obviously, and the floral marshmallow is considered sunny. So something about the reason I picked those 2 is because I love those 2 perfumes. So I figured having it in a scent would be really good to have around the house. So let's look at it. Also, floral marshmallow is the Dossier perfume I'll be giving away when I hit 500 subs. So please go ahead and subscribe if you'd like so that I can give away that perfume. So let's start with amber vanilla because I think that's the one I'm gonna like the most. Let me show y'all the packaging first. Very on brand for Dossier. Let me show y'all. I want to compare the perfumes to the candles a little bit. So this is what the packaging looks like for the candles. This is what they look like for the perfume. The candles obviously come in a box. The perfumes come like this. You open it up, it has a message on the inside, then it has a card with information, and then there's your perfume bottle. The candles, I think the inside should look the same. When I had powdery hawthorn, it was just like the perfume, just in a candle form. So let's check that out because I am so stoked. I don't have any candles burning right now in this room, which is weird because I just shot a video. I always have candles burning while I'm shooting videos. So we're gonna even actually light one of them and check it out. See how it lights, see how it burns, all that stuff. So let's start with floral marshmallow. Ambery marshmallow. Vanilla. What is wrong with me? Ambery vanilla right here. So when you open the box, on top it says love at first match. Very cute. Yep, just like the perfumes. Right on top, you see the card with information about the candle. And then you have, oh, this is a big candle. The candle itself. This is amber vanilla. Y'all, I love the way these look. They look so chic. Ooh, it smells good. Oh, it smells a little bit sweeter than the actual perfume, which is nice because I love sweet scents. So this is definitely the one we're going to burn tonight, but I want to show y'all the perfume itself too. Let me see if I could get it without having to pull out the whole tray. That's powdered coconut. Alright, so this is amber vanilla, the perfume, just so y'all could see the comparisons. This thing is heavy, y'all. Like, it's hurting my wrist to hold it like this, but that's good. That means it's going to burn for a long time. So this is what they look like. This is the perfume and this is the fragrance. I just want to do a smell test. Yeah, this is sweeter than the perfume, which I like. I like sweet scents. Let's see what $49 of Dossier candle will get you. Should I smell the other one first? Let me smell the other one first before I light this one. We are going to light that one, though. That's a nice. I just don't want to not be able to smell this one because of that one. So this is floral marshmallow. Again, this is the perfume of floral marshmallow. I only wanted to buy scents that I've smelled before, so I got the scents that I already own. I forgot to go over the notes of the other one, but since we're going to burn it, I'm going to talk about it then. Floral marshmallow is supposed to be considered a sunny scent. Y'all, the pour on this is good. The thick glass, oh, it smells good. Another one though, it smells fresh, like more fresh than sweet. No, these smell pretty much identical. Yeah, this smells good. So if you guys like the floral marshmallow, which is Killian's Love Don't Be Shy, if y'all like that, then you would like this candle because it smells identical. So this one, Yeah, I like this one too, but I do like that one more. So floral marshmallow. The top notes include marshmallow, neroli, and bergamot, and then the middle notes are orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, and orris. The base notes are amber, vanilla, and musk. So smells very good. Yeah, this one I think is going to be a downstairs candle though, because like my family, I get on my family's nerves with my super sweet scents. They don't like them, so I usually will try to put fresher stuff downstairs when people are around, and then up here, where it's mostly just me, I'll always do my sweet scents. So that one is floral marshmallow. I'll bet that aquatic star anise probably smells pretty doggone good too. I bet it smells really fruity and fresh, summery. So amber vanilla, it just looks so elegant is the thing with it that I like. It's like so, it's just really elegant looking. I don't know another way to put it besides elegant. I don't know. Let's see how it lights and let's see how it burns. Got my little electric lighter here that I adore because it doesn't take long to light anything. And those of y'all who are not candle connoisseurs like I am, you might not know, but the first time you do a candle, it's always going to be a little harder to light, only because of the fact that because you have to get the wax off of the wick first before you can actually burn it. So it takes a minute to light those, just so y'all know. And I had ash on my lighter, so I had to clean off the lighter, but I did want to light it on camera with y'all so y'all could see, so there's no funny business. And then wick number 2. Oh my God. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay. Beautiful. I don't know about y'all. I know some people might think it's expensive for a candle, and it is pricey for a candle. I'm not going to lie to y'all. It is kind of pricey for a candle, but I personally like candles every single day in my house. Somewhere I have 2 in here. I have 1 in the bedroom, 1 in the bathroom, 2 downstairs, 1 in the kitchen, 1 in the dining room, and 1 in the downstairs bathroom. So literally every room in my house I have a candle in, and I just adore candles. I just feel like it makes your house so cozy. It makes your house just feel so warm and cozy. I love them. And I love when people walk in and they say, oh my God, what's that smell? Everybody knows here, it's a candle. Yeah, I really like them. Again, y'all, they are $49 each. It has really thick glass, good pour. Y'all saw me light it. And the smell, it smells good. And the thing is, the way it smells, I think you could probably get away with just having the top open and not even lighting it. That's what my mom does with her candles. She doesn't really like them that much. She'll just open it and let the scent go all over the place. And I don't do that. I like to light them. I like to see the flame. Y'all, there are gnats in this house. There are gnats all over the place. Like, the news was covering it the other day because there's so many in Louisiana right now. They drive me crazy. But anyway, that's the candles. I really like it. It's really pretty. I have a set candle in each room, and then when one burns out, I just replace it. So I'm going to be replacing one of those with amber vanilla because she smells amazing. I think y'all should definitely check out the diffusers. Diffusers are tricky for me because, again, my headaches. So diffusers, it's very hard for me to do a diffuser, but I would try these out. Oh, they do have it amber vanilla. Yeah, so just in case y'all are interested in the diffusers, they have more scents than the diffusers. And the diffusers are $34. They have woody sandalwood, amber vanilla, floral honeysuckle, gourmand white flowers. That's supposed to be flower bomb from Victor and Rolf, by the way. A lot of people like that one. I can't do floral scents. So ambery cherry. Oh, that would be a good one to have in a diffuser because that is a good smelling perfume. Floral marshmallow too. So, and those are $34. That's the diffuser. So if y'all want to check out anything at the Dossier website, remember I do have a code. It is not an affiliate code. It's just a discount code for y'all. It is code Marty10, and you will save some money when you check out using that code to get your Dossier fix. And it's anything on the site. It could be perfumes. It could be the candles, the diffusers. Whatever you want, you can try it out there using that code. Other than that, y'all, everything I am wearing on my face today is going to be linked down below in the description, along with all of my social medias, including my TikTok, which I update daily. So anything y'all want to check out, y'all can check it out there. If you like this video, please go ahead and like the video. And if you like what you see here on the channel, go ahead and subscribe, because again, when I get to 500 subscribers, I will be giving away a brand new in the box floral marshmallow Dossier perfume. So yeah, if y'all could take a break and kind of like talk amongst yourselves. Hey Roro, thank you so much for watching Nini's video, baby girl. I love you so much, and I cannot wait to see you. Nini loves you. And the rest of y'all, I'll be here next time y'all want to get glam and get cozy. And get cozy and smell really good and cozy. If y'all come on over and get glam with Marty. I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Also, I am going to link both of these candles down below. All right, bye.